Up first this evening, three women who were abducted from the University of the West Indies in St. Andrew have been released and are safe. The women, as expected, are shaken. Here's Kirk Wright with that report.
The women's ordeal started here in the compound of the University of the West Indies when they entered a vehicle posing as a taxi. Two of the women were picked up on the hospital's compound and the other along the ring road at the school. Our information is that the women were not hurt, but they were robbed of their belongings, cellular phones, cash and bank cards. We also understand that the men took one of the women to an ATM where she was instructed to disclose the PIN to her card, following which her accounts were emptied. We also learned that two of the women who started showing signs of illness were dropped off at the Kingston Public Hospital about 7 this morning. The other woman, a nurse, was later released somewhere in the corporate area. She turned up at the Duhaney Park police station and was then transferred to another station to be interviewed.
I can confirm that we had in our custody one of the females who is safe and at this time is being processed by the officers. I would not be able to comment further on the investigation given the nature of it, but I'm happy to report that the persons are safe and we look forward to the persons who would have committed this act being held accountable for their actions.
The abduction of the nurse who worked at the university hospital had spurred her colleagues into action. Her manager turned up at the Duhaney Park police station after getting the good news that she was found.
Well, it is such a big relief right now. I am at the Duhaney Park police station and we have good news that nurse was found. She was here at the police station at Duhaney Park, was treated very well by Deputy Superintendent Coleridge and his team. And we just want to say a big thank you to the police for all the work they did last night into today. And the nurses who went to Spanish Town, KPH to search for her, hand out flyers, ask questions. We just are very grateful today.
One of the women who was dropped off at the Kingston Public Hospital have since told relatives that she is shaken but not harmed. The police are said to be carrying out an extensive investigation to find the persons involved in abducting the women. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.